Go back small. Canisters shooting tear gas.
Tear gas by the police.
At the peaceful protesters.
Manye, the Take It Back coordinator in Rivers State. We are here as an organization affiliated with other people. We are here as Rivers people to march and express our grievances. We are not here to cause any harm. And this is the security men that have been here dispersing our people that have been coming. We are here, we are waiting for some of our members to come and we'll march on the street peacefully and air our grievances to the government. We are not here for violence.
What are your grievances?
Our grievances is, number one thing is the repeal of the Cybercrime Act. And as Rivers people, we are here to speak against the unconstitutional removal of our elected governor and the Rivers State House of Assembly. We are here to demand a government for the people of Rivers State, because as it stands now, we are without government. This government in Rivers State is alien to our people. It's unconstitutional. And so we are here to demand that our governor comes back to office and lead us appropriately. We have a social contract with the governor. We don't have any contract with the sole administration. This is democracy. You understand? So we are here to march and nobody can tell us where to gather. We are Rivers people. We own this place.
Yes.
Thank you.
It's important for Rivers people to understand, and Nigerians, that what is happening today in Nigeria is actually a rape on democracy. Because there is no reason whatsoever why an elected government will be suspended for no just cause. We are in a democracy, not in a dictatorship. And Rivers people must come out this morning because it is important for them to know that even freedom is not free. You must fight for freedom. And what is happening here today is evil, fighting against the democracy that our forebears fought for. So if we all sit back and don't fight back and don't demand that the constitutionally, elected government of Rivers State be reinstated, then of course we have already failed our forebears, and that is not what we are going to do. So we are using this opportunity to call on Rivers people, men and women, boys and girls, the youths of this generation to come out today to express their grievances, and that is what we are going to do because it is guaranteed us in our constitution. Thank you so much.
My name is Stanley Wariso. I'm the president of the Committee for Development here in the Niger Delta. The reason why we came out is to support the protests. And we are calling on Nigerians because we cannot sit down in our homes and complain. We have to come out and take it back. It is a situation that is worrisome, that a lot of things have gone wrong. Even in the night in Rivers State here, everywhere becomes dark. There is no longer lightning and there is no longer good living in Rivers State. People are complaining because a democratic system has now been translated into a military dictatorship, and as a result we must condemn it in its entirety. As I'm talking to you now, a lot of people are outside there waiting for people that will motivate them to come out. And what we want to do here right now is a peaceful demonstration, and we are calling on Rivers men and women to stand up and resist this injustice, this undemocratic system, this unconstitutional declaration of a state of emergency that is worrisome. And as a matter of fact, they are even inviting the military, because the military have started testing democracy and they are feeling it back, which is very, very bad for our country as a nation. It is setting a very dangerous precedent, and as a result, we totally condemn it. We are calling on our people to rise up. The time has come for us to speak out. Even if I cannot do anything, I have the voice to speak out, to say that I, Mr. Stanley Wariso, as president of the Committee for Development here in the Niger Delta, I must speak out. Thank you and God bless.
Good morning. My name is Courageous Rimofu. I'm the coordinator of PILEC Center for Civic Education Initiative. This morning, we, the people of Rivers State, we have come out today to say no to the state of emergency in Rivers State. Our position is clear. Rivers State was not at war when the state of emergency was declared. If Rivers State was at war, The work of the sole administrator would have been to secure the states. But Rivers State is not at war. So what the sole administrator is doing now is governance. And that is not a ground for declaration of state of emergency. Rivers State was peaceful before the declaration of state of emergency. The only thing that happened was economic sabotage, and that is a security matter that the national would have attended to. Our position is that this state of emergency is illegal, and we are calling on Mr. President to reverse his decision on this state of emergency. The people of Rivers State have woken up, and today we have come to say, Mr. President, listen to your people, listen to us, and reverse this position. So the people have come out to say no to the state of emergency. So, Mr. President, reverse it. That is our call this morning. The people of Rivers State, we have come out to express our right to peacefully protest and to make our demands known to Mr. President.
I must state categorically that what had happened this morning is a show of shame and an affront to democracy, and whatever the president had preached when he was even on the street protesting. I must say, we came out this morning to demand for good governance. We came out this morning to demand for the repeal of the Cybercrime Act. And we came out also to demand that democratic processes should be returned back to Rivers State. And what they did was, on the instruction of whomever, the president or whoever, they gave an instruction and they came, shot at us, threw tear gas at us, even arrested the Chinese reporter. Let me say this, that nobody is more in Nigerian than the other. Nobody is more in Nigerian than the other. If you're holding any office, you're only privileged to hold that office. Not all of us can be intimidated. All of us cannot be intimidated. They cannot intimidate all of us at the same time. And we will continue to stand and resist whatever they are doing. We shall continue to stand, we shall continue to resist whatever they are doing. Thank you.